Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is focused on my makeup routine. So if you guys want to know how I get this look, then please keep watching. Before I start, I just wanted to mention that I'm not perfect at makeup. This is how I like to do my makeup. First thing that I'm applying is a Nivea moisturizer because I love it. Following that, I'm using a lip balm by Nivea. I soak the beauty blender with a tissue because it removes excess water. The foundation that I'm using today is by Makeup Forever. It's their Ultra HD foundation. I absolutely love this foundation. If I had to pick one foundation for the rest of my life, I would definitely pick this one. I like applying it with a beauty blender because it gives a flawless finish. To conceal my dark circles, I like to use Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind Concealer. All the shades will be linked in the description box below. I like to apply the concealer on the eyelids as well, so everything looks nice and even. Then I take the pointy side of the beauty blender and just blend everything. I like to set the under eye concealer using Sephora's Foundation Compact. To set the rest of my face, I use NYX HD Finishing Powder. For bronzer, I'm using NARS Laguna Bronzer. I have this weird habit of really closing my eyes when I'm applying something on my face. I have no idea why, but yeah. For blush, I'm using Savannah Colors. I love the subtle glow that it gives to my cheeks. To highlight the cheekbones, I'm using Wet n Wild's highlighter. I am completely obsessed with this product. And whatever I'm left with, I like to just put it on my nose. Using a spoolie, I'm just setting the eyebrow hair. I never used to do my eyebrows until recently that I went to the parlor and the parlor lady completely screwed my eyebrows. She made it so thin that I couldn't recognize myself. So I think I'm just learning. I'm not that great at it yet. I started with mascara and that happened. I'm just going to let it dry and clean it up at the end. So I like to do my mascara before doing my liner. I know this is not the traditional way of doing makeup, but this is how I prefer it. The mascara I am using is by Benefit. Moving on to eyeliner, the only eyeliner I like to use is by Lakme Absolute. This is my holy grail eyeliner. The lipstick that I went with today is by Sephora. I cannot thank Evo enough for introducing me to this lipstick. If you don't know, a fan sent me a lot of goodies and I've vlogged the entire thing. So if you haven't seen that video, I'm going to leave it on the screen so you can go see it after this video is over. After I'm done applying the lip color, I just like to line the edges and make it sharp. This lip liner is by Essence. Using a earbud and fixing areas that need to be fixed. So that completes today's makeup routine video, and this is pretty much how I like to do my face. Like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget the notification bell as well. And I'm gonna see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye! Mwah.